Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael Bondi with Urbanist Realty Summerlin. I've got some interesting news about a brand new master plan community coming soon to the far northwest part of Las Vegas. The project is called Kyle Canyon Gateway. So far, KB Homes, TriPoint, and Century Homes have building permits in the area and are actively building. Kyle Canyon Gateway is located just north of Skye Canyon on the 95 freeway and Kyle Canyon off-ramp. The project, as disclosed on the City of Las Vegas website, shows the project to be 49.2 acres. From what I read about the project, you can expect larger lot sizes, anywhere from 4,500 square feet to 6,000 square feet or more. The community will have single-story, two-story, and three-story home options. Preliminary home designs show a more modern theme to the elevations, as well as current themes of homes we see throughout the Las Vegas Valley. There's also a planned commercial space as well to the south of Kyle Canyon that will back up to the western part of the 95 freeway. There's a sign up for an A&W restaurant, Green Valley Grocery, and Wildfire Gaming establishment. KB Homes community that they are currently building out is called Talus. Count on the same designs KB Homes have been completing throughout the Las Vegas Valley. Those home designs start off around 1,400 square feet and may continue up to 3,000 square feet. Nothing has been confirmed to me as of yet, but KB Homes has several floor plans that they constantly build over and over again out here, so expect same floor plans at Kyle Canyon Gateway. Check out the link below for more information about design plans as well as other building plans for this community from the City of Las Vegas website. If you have further questions about this project or any other projects here in Las Vegas, Summerlin, or Henderson, leave me a comment below or feel free to call me directly at 702-768-2552 or visit www.lvrealtyforsale.com. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.